So here's it. Here's something that I drew one time. This is it. I think this is. Yeah, so I'm not an artist, but I do like to draw. If so, I'm not gonna. And again, like the icon art isn't gonna be amazing. It's not gonna be mind blowing. It's gonna be really simplistic. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time on it. I hope. And yeah, it'll just be like whoever can get the. As long as I can get it like satisfactory, right? So yeah. Uh, yeah. So yeah, it's not gonna be like a masterpiece or anything, but it should be at least interesting enough to stream, right? Oh, one, no. Oh man, I bet capitalization would help me on this one, but I'm gonna just mispronounce it instead. No. Oh man. All right. On their. Okay, so the fact that there, I want to say one, except that the fact that there are then two R's makes me think that it's not the word one. So wait, like honor or assume next. Sorry. If anyone has recommendations for words to hear me mispronounce, feel free to drop them in chat. I will mispronounce the heck out of them. Any word, as long as it's appropriate. I don't. Again, please keep the language at least family friendly enough that I don't get banned when I upload these to YouTube. Thank you. But yeah, you name it, I'll mispronounce it. So right, all right. We've spent a lot of time on this with this MS Paint on screen. I apologize. Let's see if we can't just like bang. Whoops, that was not phase 3. That was supposed to be phase 2. Save as phase. Did I already save phase 2? No, I skipped right to 3, didn't I? Alright, let's rename you. Or, no, let's just save you as phase 2. And then open up phase 3 and make it the, yeah, you're not like that. You're like, you're more like what? Like, wait, why did you turn that color? Or like, whoops. No. Whoop. Good enough. Phase 3. Alright. Nice. You look sharp for when you stream. uh, whoop, what just happened? Okay, good. We got our we have our face textures. Oh yeah, I should get rid of game face text. And oh, I guess I should get a concept of that that thing. So instead of getting rid of this altogether, let's say thank you guys. I aim to impress. So so public game object. What are we gonna do instead? I guess we'll call it game phase. I'm just gonna call it the hero block because I don't know. It kind of means it kind of means a few different things, and so whatever. So save that. Oh wait, actually, do I? No, yeah, never mind. All right, so hero block, cool, whatever. Hero block. Let's set it to what? Oh yeah, right. I forgot about those. Hold on. So let's go fix those up. Game phase text. All right. Yeah. So instead, let's say hero block dot material dot render dot material dot material dot dot render material texture, main texture, I guess, equals oh yeah, and we'll have to keep track of our textures. So let's say phase text 0 for starters. All right, so we need phase text, and we need phase text, and we need to update those other things too. Hey, we got a new follower. Oh, on air resume next. Wow, why could I not read that? That is amazing. For some reason, it's so weird how Twitch capitalizes things, and for some reason, I just could not get that out of... Wow. Well, thank you for following, despite the fact that I totally spazzed on... Sorry, I'm trying not to use that term, because I understand that that is an offensive term some places. Where I'm from, it means clumsy, but it's in my vocabulary, and I'm trying to get it out. Alright, so... Oh, yeah, so I totally fumbled your name, but thank you for following, anyways. Yeah, it's gonna be another array. Public. Well, if you have like 4 textures, are you literally gonna make like... Well, no, never mind. I know what you would do. Go away. I mean, don't... Okay, sorry. I'm kidding. I love texture. Or wait, no, not game object. Texture, I guess. Texture, public texture. What did I call it? Phase mat or phase text. I love you. I love all of you. Alright, so save this. And then, oh yeah, no, we still have 10 more errors. So we'll have to do that in a minute. Alright, so yeah, so game phase text, right? Instead of that, we're saying phase text, yeah. Text instead of text. Yes, much better. And so, yeah, we're also using game phase text, right? So here, it'll be, yeah. Yeah, I'll just keep this set up regardless. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And, alright, now... What, I don't know if it's what you mean, but, oh, wait, no, yeah, it's probably not what you mean. My music takes up storage space only because, I, like, subscribe to this music service where, it's like a streaming service, but, you can stash stuff locally if you know you're going to listen to it a lot and you don't need to stream it all the time, which also takes up space. I don't have 50 gigs of it, but it takes up space. And it's completely legit. Just throwing that out there. Alright, so phase text, there are 4 of them. Not 40. 4. Alright, so... Yeah, save that. It's a tough life, Tao. I don't know what I'd do without internet. No, I do know what I'd do without internet. Because I hadn't been on a plane in like literally like 10 years, and I flew like for 6 hours this summer, and I was freaking out. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have any internet. Why is there no internet? And like I could have spent like $50 to like have internet for the plane ride, but then I was like, I'm really spoiled to internet, is what I found out in that experience. Uh, um, Alright, so that's probably good, maybe? I don't know. Let's see what happens when I run it. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, I do have an error. Wait, what? Variable hero block. Oh, I haven't. Yeah, alright. I tend to forget stuff like that. This is that thing, right? This is. Yeah, that's that thing. So. Hero block. There we go. Texture. What? It has been assigned. I just assigned it. Okay, yeah. There you go. Hey, look at that. Alright, perfect. And then I'm gonna assume that the rest of it works. No, I'll test it out. I'll put the what? Like the mobs mob save to win. Where's that? Should be higher up actually. Mob save to win. Yeah, put mob save to win down to 10, and then oh yeah, and then kick up hero power or mob strength. What? What? Mobs. Where did mob strength go? Oh, it recollapsed or something. I don't know. All right, punch you up to 8. All right, so the face X should update pretty soon. Yeah, there you go. Phase 2. Look at that. Phase 3. Hey. Oh my gosh, we're about to win the game. Yay, we won the game. Look at all that time bonus time we got. Yay. Yay, we did it. Oh, why'd that one turn yellow? That's funny. Oh, because it's using the same material. Whoops. Oops. Alright, so yeah, right. Oh, right. The UM is. Wait, no. No, what material is it using? Well, oh, HPMP. Alright, so yeah, no. Yeah, the reset button, I'll make it just use a different. Or the restart button. Yeah, alright, so new material. Material, restart, matte, I guess. And it will just be, yeah, I think it was unlit diffuse. Or just unlit texture, I guess. And then, yeah, so yep, alright. But other than that, everything looked good. Did that work? Yeah, alright, good. Alright. Yeah. So, let's see. So, sorry, I'm just checking something real quick. Yeah, alright, so, oops. Yeah, so, right, so, alright, we got the faces in, we got, so, yeah, from here, the next steps are basically the icons, as I've been saying, and then, like, balancing, I guess, is, like, the next real thing, and when I say next, I mean, it's basically the last real thing. There are some, items on the backlog that I'll probably want to do, and there are some things that'll probably come up while balancing that we'll want to change along the way. I mean, like, so I set up a bunch of like external or like public variables to like tweak and tune in order to get the the game feeling right, get the curve and everything to work out. But I also mentioned before that also I want a lot of the I want I know I'll want like more sophisticated formulas and better control over that as well. So um, yeah, so there'll probably be a lot of additional stuff that goes into making the balance of the game feel right. And I don't know, from time to time I like think of another thing that I might want for the game and I tack that on too. So who knows? We're not done yet. It'll be a little while longer. I think uh, I think this might be the time of the evening where I think I'm gonna start wrapping up. So don't worry. I'm actually, instead of just shutting down the stream, this is the first time I'm trying this. Instead of just shutting down the stream, I'm going to switch it over to, I don't know if you guys know how the Twitch hosting things work. But sorry, I'm just reading over chat. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Instead of just shutting things down, I'm gonna try putting it over to hosting. So, I mean, it's like, of course, it's like a different dev working on a different project, but hopefully, like if you found my stream interesting, then hopefully it'll be at least interesting enough. And I'll definitely be back next week. I want to try and stream sometime this weekend too. So, I thank you everyone who's tuned in and who's participated in chat and who's made this fun. I really didn't know what to expect when getting into streaming, but if it's gonna be like this, then that's awesome. I have no complaints. So yeah, I appreciate. Thank you to everyone who followed. Thank you for everyone who has been following for a while. Thank you for everyone who isn't even a Twitch user but has just been kind of like spectating quietly from a distance. You're super cool. You're way cooler than all those other people who don't have Twitch accounts that aren't spectating from a distance. They're not even spectating from a distance. So, yeah. I guess I will bid a good night or good whatever time of day it is where you are, to all of you. And then I think this is gonna work. I think I'm gonna type host Siege Games, and I think when I hit this, it will switch over to that stream. So. This will probably be about the time that my face disappears. So, good night, internet.